We've commenced treatment with our plantain stocks. In one of my videos, I explained to you guys that you stocking your fish directly after constructing your plastic pond is not advisable because, hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So currently, in a mini farm this morning, so we actually here to install some plastic ponds. These are 1,000 liters plastic fish pond. They are mobile, so it can be taken from one location to another. And this can conveniently take 80 fish to 100 fish to maturity. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ponds here. And as you can see, we are treating them. We've commenced treatment with our plantain stocks. In one of my videos, I explained to you guys that you stocking your fish directly after constructing your plastic pond is not advisable because chemicals come with these plastic ponds. It's always ideal you wash out and fertilize the pond before putting your fish. So we'll be leaving this plantain stock for 7 days. I think 6 to 7 days. After 7 days, it will be ready for stocking of our juveniles. So on the 7th day, we bring them out, we wash out the pond, we rinse the pond with normal water. Then after pumping in fresh water, we wait for 24 hours. Then we stock in our juveniles. By then, we started our catfish farming business. So in case you are interested in something like this, you want something as moderate like this, you want something very simple like this, you can always give us a call, send us a message, and make your intentions known. Fish farming still remains a very lucrative business if you follow the right lead, if you follow the right steps. A very profitable business. But make sure you move closer to people that are already into the business, people that knows what it takes to, help you manage your catfish farm. So that'll be that for today. If you love what you just watched, do want to like this video. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.